Hi, this is Sharmin here. I'm from EducatorSharmin YouTube channel, Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter I have, so you can follow me there. So in this video, I'm going to teach you physics math problems. So before I start my class, please make sure pen and paper, you need to write, you need to practice, right? Practice and practice. That is the only one way you can improve your physics math problem. So let's get started. Problem, that is motion is created in a body of mass 10 kilogram by applying a force. So if its kinetic energy becomes 80 joule, what is its velocity? So what you need to figure out? You need to figure out velocity. Here is a kinetic energy given here, 80 joule. And what else here given? That is 10 kilogram. That is the mass of body. That is also given. First you need to figure out what is given here. And then formula. What's the formula? Kinetic energy formula. Did you remember? Half mv square. That is the kinetic energy formula. So here is a given here. So we don't know half mv square. We don't know v. We need to figure out. So just easy, guys. What is given here and just formula. Write the formula and write and put it here and calculate. Use calculator and figure out. So here is a v equal to, that is 2 times 80 joule divided by m. Here is a m is a 10, that is the 10 kilogram. So here is a, we just calculate that, that is 4 meter per second. That is our answer. Let's go another problem. A force of 10 Newton is applied on a stationary object of mass, that is 10 kilogram for 10 seconds. 10 kilogram for 10 seconds. So here is a mass of object, that is, how much is it? That is 10 kilogram for how much time? 10 seconds. And here is a force of 10 Newton, that is given also. Here is a F equal to 10 Newton. What is the kinetic energy of the object? So what you need to figure out? You need to figure out here what? That is kinetic energy. So what's the formula? Kinetic energy formula. Did you remember? You just use formula. What is given here? First you write and put it here and just use calculator and figure out. Very easy, guys. So here is a kinetic energy, half mv square. So here is a half mv square. So m here is a 10 and v square, that is a 10. So 500 joule here, that is the kinetic energy. We got the answer. Very easy. Next one, that is calculate the kinetic energy after 20 seconds. So what happened? Kinetic energy after 20 seconds. I will do it. Acceleration will take place for 10 seconds. After that, no acceleration is present. So velocity is unchanged. Therefore, kinetic energy after 20 seconds will be same. What's the answer? Will be same. It's unchanged. If the force is applied for 20 seconds, then what is the kinetic energy? So if the force applied for 20 seconds, so what is the kinetic energy? So we need to figure out what kinetic energy after 20 seconds. If force is applied for how much time? 20 seconds. So what will happen? The kinetic energy you need to figure out. So how will do it? It's difficult? No, you just use formula. And what's the given here? So here is a given what? That is 20 seconds here, time here. So v equal to 80. We need to figure out half mv square. That is the kinetic energy one formula, you know that. Half mv square, but we don't know velocity. So we need to figure out velocity. So v equal to 80. A, that is the acceleration. Here is a m, 1 meter per second square, and 20 second, and 20. Here is a velocity, that is the 20 meter per second. V equal, here is a final velocity. How much? 20 meter per second. Half mv square. So here is a half m, here is a 10. We know that 10 kilogram, that is the mass, and v square, that is the 20 meter square. that is the joule. So if you calculate, if you use calculator, so we got that is the 2000 joule. Force of 20 Newton is applied on a stationary object for 10 seconds and the object covered a distance of 100 meters. So what is the mass of the object? So we need to figure out what is the mass of the object. We need to figure out mass. So here is a m, we know that. And what's the formula? S equal to ut plus half a t square. That is the formula. And what is given here? That is 20 Newton. That is the force given here. Also here's a object, that is the stationary object for 10 second. Time here 10 second. And distance, that is the covered a distance of 100 meter. Here is a distance also, s equal to 10. So s equal to ut plus half at square, that is the formula. So whatever we got, we just put it in and use calculator. So here is a u equal to 0, that is the initial velocity. U here is a 0 here, and a equal to 2s divided by t square. So here is a 2s, that is the 100, and here is a t square 10 square, so 2 meter per second, that is again. So here is another formula. We know that Newton's second law, F equal to ma. So F, we know that is the 20 Newton, that is the force of 20 Newton, and here is a m, that is the 100, that is how much? M here is a mass of object, that is mass of object here, that is we need to figure out here. We don't know what is the mass of object, we don't know, so we need to figure out. So m equal to F divided by a, 20 divided by 2, here is a 2 meter per second, that is the acceleration. So we just calculate to 10 kilogram, that is the mass of object. Very easy guys, but you just go step by step and what's the given here and use the formula and get the answer. That guys, I hope that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon with another new video. Keep watching and keep practicing, and good luck your physics test.